37, the probability distribution for both values of a random variable x is given in the table below. And there's a table, and they say that given that the expected value of x is 20, what is the value of k? So this is a fairly new concept for most students. Even if you've taken stats, this probably isn't going to immediately come back to you because this isn't covered that much in most classes, and I think in stats you only cover it very briefly. But for expected value, the general formula is if you have some item, then the value of the item maybe I'll scoot this over. The value of the item times the probability of getting that. So times the probability of getting that plus the probability of some other outcome, we'll call this probability 2, times the value of item 2, and so on and so forth. So what you're really doing is you're just taking every item that you have, you're taking the value of it times the chance of getting it and adding it to the other ones. So if I have another item, then what's the probability of getting another item times the value of that other item? And you just do that for all the items you have. So they're telling us the expected value is 20. So 20 equals, and these are our items. These are our items here. So for the first item, that's our first item, and that's our second item. The probability of getting the first item is 1/3, and the value of that is 12. And the probability of getting the second item is 2/3, and the value of that is k, and we're asked to solve for k here. So this looked like a challenging problem, but it turns out to not be so bad. So we're going to simplify this. Now we have 20 is equal to 1/3 times 12. 1/3 times 12 is just 4. And then plus 2/3 times k. So we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. So 16 is equal to 2/3 times k. So to get rid of the 3 on the bottom, on the right side here, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So 3 down here and the 3 here cancel. And then on the left side, 3 times 16 is just 48. That is equal to 2k. And then finally, divide both sides by 2. So k is equal to 24. So our answer for this one is D.